In Akron, Ohio, officers respond to a reported stabbing inside a shared home. The alleged victim, the suspect's cousin, undergoes emergency surgery on her colon.
Hey, puppy. Is he gonna come at us, or you a good boy? Yeah. Yes, you are.
Go. Okay.
All right. Can you just please put everything down?
Yeah. You're taking me?
Here.
Wait, what about my dogs though? Can you explain?
Everything's gonna be explained to you
But
in a
after,
second.
I'm not gonna do anything.
I know, just listen.
You guys, I'm not gonna do anything. She attacked me, and you guys don't even tell me what's going on before cuffing me.
We're gonna talk to you.
I was not raised to be violent, and you guys are cuffing me.
Who's on the phone?
You can hang up. She's my friend.
Is she's? Are you gonna? You want to come take care of the dogs?
It's on mute. They're fine right now, but what is going on?
Does anybody else live here?
I'm coming.
No.
You're under arrest for felonious assault.
What does that mean?
You stabbed somebody, so under arrest for felonious assault. Just to get it all
There's
out.
no self-defense. I have a video of that last night.
All right. Do you want to take your?
So,
Listen. Do you want to take your phone with you?
is anybody else
I
gonna?
don't have anybody. I literally don't have anybody.
Don't matter which one is your phone.
Do you want to ask her? Do you want to leave your door unlocked for her?
It's open, Brooklyn.
I'm coming.
I don't have anybody.
Okay,
Like,
I'm
What jail?
gonna.
What jail?
So we.
She'll go to Summit County.
Don't you explain to me before, like...
No, we already told you you're being arrested for a felonious assault. Okay. But to talk a little better, we gotta go down
Leave the door unlocked.
and talk. Okay.
Can I bring my vape? What is going on? My cousin literally attacks me in my own house, and I'm like... What? I've literally never even been in cuffs in my life.
It's okay. Hold on. Do you have anything on you?
No. I don't even have underwear
Hold
on.
on. I just gotta make sure you don't have anything.
I'm sorry.
All right. I'm just gonna pat you down, okay? You got anything on you? Go ahead and just sit down. Listen.
Like, there's no self-defense?
No. Listen. We're only going based upon the evidence that we have and what's going on. So obviously, you will have, a chance to. Go to court. Here, I'm going to read you this real quick, okay?
I already lost my job. I got fired this week. I crashed my car this week. My boyfriend broke up with me.
Listen,
and then I come out my room and my cousin attacks me and I'm getting arrested. You can read it. Go ahead.
Okay. I have to do this, though.
Sorry.
So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can...
Just let it roll.
Okay. All right. So. I know the officer's gonna come over here and talk to you about it, okay?
Hi, Ariana. I'm Officer Hudson with Akron Police, okay? I'm gonna read your rights right now, okay? So, did something happen with your cousin last night?
Yeah, very much so.
What happened? You want to talk to me about that?
Yeah, and I have videos too. So
Okay.
this is crazy. But yeah, she was harassing me about the dogs being in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
And then she went on a rant about how I'm a dirty bitch and this and that, and I was just sitting at the table in the kitchen, and I was laughing at her like, girl, what the hell?
Mm-hmm.
And then she comes in there and takes my vape, and so I didn't even hit her at that point. I choked her out until she dropped it, and I let her go. And I was like, leave me alone, essentially. We kept going back and forth, talking, going back and forth. She's like, I've been waiting to beat your ass. And then I went to go walk out on the porch. Okay, after I let her go the first time, that's when I grabbed the knife. And, yeah, so I'm trying to walk outside. I still have it on me. And before I even opened the door, she body checks me and then starts punching me. And that's when that initial happened. And I dropped the knife because that would have been dead. I dropped it. And we were fighting. And that's literally it. And then it ended. Her dad came and got her, but I guess she even lied to him saying I hit her with a freaking pan. That never happened, but like, that's literally it.
How'd she get the bruises all over her face then?
I was punching her.
Okay.
Like,
so,
literally.
So She was harassing you. Okay, you were sitting at the kitchen table. Okay, you guys kept bantering back and forth. She grabbed your vape and threw it.
No,
Or
she
grabbed your vape, sorry.
took it
And
out
then
of
you
my hand.
started choking her out. And then you got it back?
Yeah, when she dropped, she threw it, and I let her go. I was like, are you done?
Mm-hmm.
Let her go. And then I kept recording and stuff, and she just kept talking and talking and talking.
Mm-hmm.
And so I'm in the living room. She's sitting at the dining room table eating dinner, and she's just like, we can go outside, we can go outside. So when she saw I was about to go on the porch with my dogs, she runs up and body checks me and starts hitting me. Literally. I have multiple videos from over the past year of her just harassing me, putting trash out the bottom of my bedroom stairs and shit. I understand life is hard, you're going through shit, but you don't have to make everybody else miserable.
Mm-hmm.
Multiple times in the video, I'm like, I pray for you. You can use your energy for good. I'm not a violent person. That's not me. I'd rather walk away from something, but at that point, what do? You figured someone's not going to come at you while you're holding a knife.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know. I don't know if that counts as self-defense, but that's literally all it was. And where am I supposed to go? I literally live here.
Yeah. So nothing happened with any sort of frying pan or anything like that, it's just from getting punched in the face. Do you have any injuries on you? Do you have any injuries on you?
Maybe the scratch behind my leg that I just noticed, but no.
I mean, she's pretty messed up. She went to immediate surgery.
On her colon.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know.
So
is that from the damage, or is it from the wound?
It's from the stab, yes. She has severe injuries to her colon and bowel. She was rushed to emergency surgery.
Ariana is arrested for felonious assault under Ohio Revised Code Section 2903.11. The statute only requires that she knowingly attempted harm with a deadly weapon. A kitchen knife qualifies. Officer Hudson interrupts her mid-sentence to deliver Miranda. That single decision protects every word that follows. Then comes her most damaging admission. She armed herself with the knife before any contact occurred. And the line that ends her defense, someone is not going to come at you when you are holding a knife. That frames the knife as a deterrent, not reactive force. Ohio law does not protect that. Stand your ground removes the duty to retreat. It does not remove the requirement of proportional force.
So it's not self-defense is what you're telling me.
I mean, I can't tell you anything,
Yeah,
but based off the evidence all I have right now, and see...
Are you guys bringing my phone with me?
Well, I can most certainly, if you give us permission to go in there and grab your phone, we can bring it out to you and you can show us.
Had it at
Oh, so you had it on you and stuff when, okay. All right, I'll ask where it's at and stuff. Where's the knife at in the house?
In my bed.
In your bed?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, sit tight for me for a minute, okay? I'm gonna go talk to the other officers and I'll get your phone,
Am I
okay?
sit in jail tonight is what you're saying?
I
don't know.
We're gonna figure that out, okay?
This is so scary. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Can't let you out of cuffs, but I can stand here with you right now.
Wait, for what?
Do you want to show me the videos?
Oh, yeah. Bro, if I wanted to fight somebody, I would fight them. I'm not about to sit here and talk about, oh, if you come outside, do it. Do it. Do it. Give me my shit, bro. Give me my shit. Give me my shit, bro. Give me my shit, Skylar. Give me my shit. And it's hard. I grabbed you into the camera so you can see it. So they can see what I'm doing. Just give me my shit. Give me my shit. You see I'm being attacked in my own house, so if I stab her, in your own house, I recorded the whole thing. Your own house. We both live here, so yeah.
So she stabbed you at that point, or
no? That's literally, I didn't even punch her. I just wanted my stuff back, and I'm like, leave me alone. Come on, let's go outside. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. What the hell, y'all? Come on. Yeah, let's all go outside. Let's all go outside. Let's all go outside. That's literally how it happened. That was me hitting her. That's why it looks like she got hit with. And then I let her go, said I wasn't even gonna do it to you. Like, what the heck? What the heck? Like, me trying to walk out the door, that's when I had the knife, and then she just ran up on me. Like, what?
So you said the knife's in your bedroom?
Yeah, I think it's still in my bed.
Okay.
Because, like, I know myself, and I know that I do take things too far. That's why I don't like to start.
Would you be willing to sign a consent waiver for the house for us to go in and grab the knife? If not, we'll get a search warrant. That's going to take like 2 or 3 hours. So, either or, we can either do this quickly, or we can.
I mean, that's all you're grabbing?
Yeah, unless we see blood or anything.
I mean, there's blood in her bed, but yeah.
Okay, we can even have you in handcuffs. We can take you in there, and you can walk with us and stuff like that. Okay. All right. If you wanna, we'll get her out. She'll walk us to her bed. Obviously, we're gonna have a hold of her, but she's gonna walk us to her bedroom and stuff. We'll retrieve that knife and see if there's any other evidence that we need to photograph or anything. Okay. So give us a second. She's gonna put on some gloves real quick. Is this still uploading, you know? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know how it works.
I think it's already on.
You just.
Yeah.
So all I'm gonna ask you is, I can't let you have it over here. No, I'm gonna allow you. I'm just gonna ask you to blow out.
Okay.
Okay.
You're not trying to get.
I gotta hold it for you, though. I'm sorry.
I'm so stressed. It's honestly sad. This is what this generation has come to.
Indeed, it is.
Honestly. I'm okay.
Good. I'll keep it over here in case you want to.
Thank you.
No problem.
All right, we're gonna have you walk us in. Okay, show us where your room's at. Okay, and then we'll bring you back out. Okay. Where are we going?
Straight. Just this door.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Right here. Go ahead and stand back over here. Sorry. I'm gonna open it and then we'll go. Is it hidden somewhere? Or?
No, I literally didn't even know it was in my bed. It should be right next to my bong by the Bible.
Okay.
That's so terrible.
No, you're fine. Here, I'm gonna have you go over here. It's gonna be in her bed next to the bong, she said.
Okay, yeah, I see it. And where's Schuler's bedroom?
Downstairs.
Downstairs?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go, just have her walk you downstairs to her bedroom so we know once she does that, we'll take her back out.
So whose bedroom is this?
This is the suspect's bedroom. Right next to the bong and Bible, there's the handle.
I got you. Okay.
This is the, okay. I'll go ahead and bring it on.
Whose room is this? A room here or?
That's my aunt's room. It's never open.
Okay.
That would be Victor's room.
Okay.
Victim says she was laying down, felt a sharp pain in her abdomen, and looked, and there's blood all over. So.
What was this all over?
The argument was over dogs being in the kitchen while she was cooking.
I thought we'd be over drinking.
Alright, so Ariana, based off all the evidence and everything else like that, you're going to be sent to Summit County Jail today, okay, for felonious assault and domestic violence, okay?
There's no self.
No. Based off even your phone recordings, no. So you're going to be going to jail today, okay? Obviously, you'll have your court date and stuff like that, get your attorney, and they'll review and see if there's, this will go to grand jury and stuff, and you'll see if they end up ruling this self-defense, but per all the evidence I've observed and everything else like that, this was not self-defense, okay? So you're going to be going to Summit County Jail today for felonious assault and domestic violence. Arrest ticket should already be uploaded to booking. Yep. Bumpy ride. This is her phone. And that's your own property.
You can't be worse than him.
Officer Hudson earns an A-, a model of professional custodial procedure. The suspect earns a C-, cooperative during arrest, but her own words destroyed her best defense. Lessons learned. First, after Miranda, stay silent. The belief that your story is exculpatory is the trap. Second, self-defense protects reactive force, not deterrent force prepared in advance. Third, Castle Doctrine removes retreat. It never removes proportionality. Fourth, A prior altercation, even a brief one, can reframe you from defender to aggressor. Fifth, phone recordings document escalation as easily as defense. Show your lawyer first. Silence is not a confession. It is a preservation of options. Thanks for watching. Check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction and legal analysis.